Welcome back. Let me show you how to solve set problems like this. Okay, this is problem 10. It says if b is equal to x, okay, truth set 0, so that means this x is greater than 0, but it is less than or equals to 6. Okay, and q, x again here, where this x is less than or equals to 1, it's greater than or equals to 1, and it's less than or equals to 7. Where x is an integer, so there's no decimal, there's no fraction, just a whole number. Find p intersect q. Okay, for you to solve this problem, you need to be able to interpret this one, get these values. Okay, simplify this and simplify this, then you can either draw your Venn diagram and find the answer. Okay, now let's break it down first. For p simply means we are told x is greater than 0, but it's either less than or equals to. So let's find all the set of the elements under this p. So that means we are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the interpretation of this one. X is greater than 0, but it is less than or equals to 6. Now for q says x is greater than or equals to 1, but it's less than or equals to 7. So we start from 1 here, because you see this one. Okay, then we go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, now if you draw a Venn diagram, okay, let's draw a Venn diagram. This is okay, yeah. So we have, this is p and this is q. Now all the elements outside here from this part, this is an area where these are elements that are not part of C, and all of these again are elements that are not part of B. So now what does this mean? It means they intersect. So let's put the elements together. This means they share something in common. 1, 1, we put it here. 2, we put it here. 3, we have it. Okay, we have 4 both sides, we have 5 both sides, we have 6 both sides. Then also all of them. Then this q has 7, so you put the 7 here. This one has no elements. Okay, now once you have that, the objectives, you can just, the objective says the answer for A is P. The answer for B means a null, meaning there are no elements that are basically like common. Okay, because this means intersect, common. And Q and C means Q. It means all the elements. For this one, it means all the elements will be under Q, basically. But Q here has 7 as well. And this means that from 0, this means from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like this. Now, so our correct answer here would be what? What is our correct answer? Anyways, now if we want to solve this one, we can see that all these elements here are within what? P. Right? All of them. All of them. So this one is this, right? P intersect Q simply means the elements that are in both P and Q. And the elements that are in both P and Q are all elements that are in P. Easy. So hence our answer becomes A. Okay? Don't forget to share this, like, and of course comment. What do you think? What topic do you want me to treat? Okay? So let's see. I'll see you again in my next video.